Right now, the music sentiment score is sitting at plus 0.19, a notable spike compared to its historical baseline. This indicates an uptick in positive emotional response towards recent music trends, while momentum remains flat at plus 0.00. With 19 semantic clusters identified, you can dive deeper into what aspects of music are resonating with listeners. Our API returns detailed insights not just on sentiment, but also on the underlying themes driving that sentiment. Imagine you're developing a music recommendation engine. You can leverage this sentiment data to tailor playlists that align with current listener emotions, potentially increasing user engagement. To explore how to integrate this into your projects, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.